Well, hi, hello. It's Sophie on a slightly stormy, very grey and wet summer afternoon here in Perth. Now, yesterday, the internet completely knocked us off the live video, so I am ready and waiting for anything to happen today. I suspect it'll be a little bit slow, a little bit intermittent, but we're only doing a 10-minute video. So let's cross our fingers that the connection will hold and we'll get the video done. If for any reason it shuts down like it did yesterday, just know that I'll redo the video again straight away because I had a second take at it yesterday and there was much laughter and amusement. So why are we here? Today is day 11 of my 30-day challenge, how to make a good living from your art, Facebook Live videos. So basically, if you are watching this for the first time, then you may realize that day 11 means there have been 10 days that have gone before. So sure thing, if you haven't watched or caught up with them, just know that there are 10 previous videos on my Facebook page. Hello to Sharon. Hi, Sharon. She's awesome. She's here every single day. I just love it. You must have done what I suggested, Sharon. Set a timer on your phone for 4 p.m. And just rocked up then. So we're just saying that the rest of the videos are on my Facebook page. If you go to the video tab, I've made a playlist and they're all there. There's also a Facebook event, and bit by bit I'm putting them in there as far as the internet is allowing anyway. So today I'm just doing a really interesting topic, which is a question I get asked so many times, and it goes like this: Sophie, do I need an artist website? So today I hope I'm going to answer that well and truly. If you're watching the replay, don't forget to hashtag replay in the comments, and I'd love for you to comment. Do you have a website? Do you not have a website? Have you thought about it? What puts you off getting it, etc., etc.? Louise says hello, thanks for the info. That's my pleasure. Welcome to the call, Louise. So yes, I'm hoping my aim for this little short video today is to help you make a decision as to whether you watching it need an artist's website. So it goes like this. The basic answer is no, you don't need one, so long as you have somewhere to send people to that ticks a lot of the boxes that I'm going to talk about later. So the other reason why I would say no, you don't need one. No, you don't need one if you are not looking to build an art business. So if you're quite happy in hobby status and you're doing this sort of part-time for a bit of fun, don't feel that there is a need to get a website. The reasons you might want a website are definitely for those people looking to build a business, make some money, be a place where certain people can go and check you out. And let's not beat about the bush here. Building a decent website is a really big task. So there's something, again, that I want to say to you straight off the bat, apart from saying a hello and welcome to Jackie, is assuming you tick the boxes and you say at the end of this call, yeah, you know, if I haven't already got a website, I need one. I want to say to you this: unless you are a website designer / builder, you should not be building your website because it will look like it's been home built. And what we're talking about here is actually you building a professional business. So therefore, you want to outsource it. It's a huge amount of work. It's a tech nightmare if you're not a tech person. Now, there are an awful lot of templated websites out there and they'll get you so far, but it's still going to take a lot of time and energy. And I would highly suggest that you actually outsource that, you find somebody build it for you, and you concentrate your efforts on your artwork or your workshops or creating and doing the thing that you do, and not suddenly becoming a website designer / builder. It's likely not for you. Hello, Jyoti. Hello, a warm welcome and a belated happy birthday. I think you're still spreading the birthday love, aren't you? How many days can one make a birthday last? 364, I reckon, until the next one. Why not? I think that's definitely the best way to go. So belated happy birthday to you. And here we are on day 11 discussing website stuff. So we're saying that ultimately, she said, found you, I'm here, Jyoti. Had you lost me amongst the Facebook kind of confusion? I'll always just be here on the page. Sharon says, Gypsy goes for a week. Where did she go? Okay, for the birthday. Yes, absolutely. Listen, the Queen of England has 2 a year. Why shouldn't we? Indeed, all year. Yeah, all year, Jyoti. Wonderful. Alrighty, so you all want to know, should you have a website? And the answer is no. If you're happy to stay in a hobby, you're not looking to build a stable business, you're not looking to make a living from your art, you don't need a website. What you do need is somewhere to send people who say, where can I find out more about that? Or where can I see your artwork or your workshops or what you do? And obviously for most of us, we think, well, okay, I need a website. So I'm going to split that divide. Those of you that don't want to create a living from your art do not need a website, but you still need somewhere to take them. And listen, the Facebook page at the moment does pretty much everything that a website can do. So you can create a shop on there, a portfolio on there, your services on there, you can write descriptions, you can actually decide to make that a bit of a platform and a bit of a place where you send people to find out more about you, and it costs zero. All right, you also don't need design skills and any of those things or tech skills, it's all just there. But there's going to be a big but that I'm going to say for both sections, the hobby people and the professional people. But you're going to need to do one thing. And those of you guys, you know me really well, you know what I'm going to say. It's not the first time you've heard it. All right, so let's put you over here. The people that are happy in hobby status do not want to make a living. Okay, you can use something like a Facebook page. For everybody else, whether you want to make a full-time living or a part-time living, you need an artist website. And my suggestion is coming really strong to you this afternoon, isn't it? That you shouldn't be building it unless you are a designer. All right, if you're a web designer or you're a web techie person, then go for it. But apart from that, you should stick in the space that you're in as a creative. This is where our skills lie. And if you're looking to make a business and you're already selling stuff, then you should be able to be in a position where you can afford to get a website built. Even if it's a super basic starter one, it still needs to look good. There are some shocking websites out there, and I'm going to say to you, they're going to do more harm than good. You need somebody who understands you as an art brand and actually can build something really, really good. All right, I'm going to be challenged to get this under 10 minutes today. I knew I would be with this topic. Maybe I should create this into a longer video. Not today, but I should do another one. Shout out in the comments if you'd like me to do a 30-minute website, artist website kind of mini training, what to have on there sort of spiel, and I'll come back and I'll organize that in the next couple of weeks. I'm just gonna look, post-it note, Sophie's Efficient website. I was thinking about it this morning and I was thinking I'm going to choose 2 or 3 topics that I know people are really interested in, and I'm going to do a 30-minute thing on them. So if you feel that websites is one of the ones for you, then please let me know in the comments. Yes, longer, Jyoti says. Okay, great. If more of you say yes, then I'm going to do that. I'll do a 30-minute Facebook Live on that in the next 2 weeks. I love this topic. All right, so let's just get the real hits, the real highlights really quickly so we can sort of keep to the 10 minutes. The benefits of having an artist website: you're going to showcase your work in a really spectacular professional manner. You position yourself in your field. You can have an online gallery or shop, so you can make sales yourself from the website. You've got a contact place where you can send people to get all the information. It's a place where you can have your story, your CV, your experience, your list of work, everything there in one place. It's like kind of LinkedIn, but a bit nicer. And also, here's the thing: if you want to get in galleries, art fairs, exhibitions, competitions, those sorts of things, mostly they are wanting you to have a website and they want to go and actually look at that. So that's a whole load of benefits of having a website. Here's the but. Please don't think that just putting it up there is enough, all right? You're going to have to market it. All right, this is the biggest mistake that I see artists make. I've got my website up, but no one's looking or no one's bought from my shop. Of course, nobody knows it's there. So you are going to have to market it. So it's a twofold thing. All right, one is you want to get it built and you want it to look great and on brand and work properly. And then it's your task as the artist to market it. So I guess that's what I'll talk about in this 30-minute. I'll talk about different platforms. I'll talk about the key things you need on an artist's website, and I'll talk about how to get people to it. Would that be helpful? If it would be helpful, say yes, 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 or give me a thumbs up, and I'll do that because I love this stuff. Louise, yes, count me in. Sharon, LinkedIn is as good as a website. LinkedIn is definitely for you, Sharon, thinking about if you want to, you know, from the mural situation, if you want to get murals out and you want to get out to corporates and businesses, local governments, anybody doing something like that in the business corporate world is looking for funding or partners or joint venture partners, LinkedIn's a perfect place, absolutely perfect. Also free. Doesn't cost you anything but a little bit of time. You don't need the same things. You don't need the coding. You can put an awful lot on your LinkedIn profile. There's an awful lot you can do with LinkedIn. So yes, Sharon, absolutely. LinkedIn would be a great platform for someone like yourself. Cool. All right, we're now at 11 minutes, so I'm going to just call this one in. I'm going to say I'm going to plan that now and put it in the diary, and I'll put it out on my page when I'm going to do it. In fact, I might poll you and ask when would be a good day. Tomorrow, day 12 of my 30-day challenge, we're looking at the #1 most important thing you can do when marketing your art, apart from send people to your website. So the #1 most important thing you can do when marketing your art, same time, same place. So it's an afternoon cuppa for those of us in WA. It's an evening glass or something for you on the eastern states. And for those people in the UK, it's a wake up, yawn, and time for a, hold on, I've got all the props. A coffee. Awesome. It's a 10-minute video. Time for you to take a break. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave comments in the comments, and I will go ahead and schedule the longer website video. So look out for that. All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and hope to see you on the live tomorrow. Okay. Take care. Bye.